for you guys. Usually they deal with that, so I'll get them to do that for you guys.
Hey, you're looking at it. Huh?
Now you may notice with the vaccines today that he's a little bit tired. He may be less interested in food as well.
Yeah.
That's okay. He should feel back to himself by sometime tomorrow. If for whatever reason you guys notice really bad vomiting, really bad diarrhea, I'd want you to come back with him. That would happen kind of usually within the first 15-20 minutes. So if you do see that, I'd recommend him being checked out. If we're not here anymore, Fish Creek Pet Hospital is probably the closest Emerge hospital. I wouldn't expect that to happen, but just in case. Yeah.
It's very good.
I'm excited.
You like it?
So this is his dewormer. Usually they like this part. Awesome. And he gets a little bit extra. Good boy. There we go. And then for his kennel cough vaccine, that one's gonna go in his nostril here. Hi, Sweets. Lucky, can you sit? No. Sorry, buddy. Is he allowed some treats for me here?
Sure.
Yes. Good boy.
Awesome. And then for his needle, it's gonna go on his hip. So usually I'll just kind of put a pile of treats out and let them eat. And this one will go on his hip here. He goes real fast. It's okay.
Slowly. Quitchy, quitchy, quitchy.
Awesome. That's it.
There's more here.
Hey, you like those? Good.
He didn't even feel it.
No.
He didn't feel it.
No. I don't think you noticed at all.
He likes to eat everything. He eats everything.
Yeah.
Especially when they were born.
Yeah, it's nice when they're food motivated. It makes sense.
Good boy.
There's more here.
There.
Awesome. So yeah, what I'll get you guys to do is just keep a really close eye on those two little bumps on his penis. Other than that, I don't have any concerns on today's visit.
Okay. Thank you.